let's see what you have. You have paid off, like you have it here. It's like tangerine. Now, can you try and open this thing? Open it. Let's see what you have. Open it. Open it. Like divide it into two. Divide it into two. Can you divide it into two? Yes. 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 Now you can see this line, this thick line. You can see you open it, you remove one just now. This one. This is the polar axis I was telling you about. So if you look at it, that thing is like coming from the north, passing through, coming out from the south. Are you getting it now? So this is what? The polar axis. You can see. This is the polar axis. So all the lines of longitude have what? Great circle. All the lines of longitude have what, class? Great circle. So you can see that this one, you can, if you remove it, remove one. Let's see. Remove one. Now you can see you have the same thing. Remove another one. You see that you have from here to here is still the same distance. This is longitude, right? Now that time I asked you to cut this small circle. You can see there is difference between the circle in this one. This one is small and this one is big. So if you move, okay, you can see this one and this one, they still maintain the same size. Are you getting it now? So that is the line. That's why we say the lines of longitude are what? Great circle. That is all the lines of longitude are what? Great circle. Do you understand that, class? Wow. The class, what do you think you have? What type of circle is this? What type of circle is this?
This is small circle.
This one is small circle. Why is this small circle?
Because they are not equal.
They are not equal. And because it doesn't pass through the what? Equator. So that is why you can see this one is smaller and this one is big. Now, what is the radius of the big circle? What's R? Is this small letter R that you will use or the capital letter R? For which one?
Big circle.
Great circle. Thank you. Clap for R. Now, for the small letter R, what kind of R are you going to use? Small R. Thank you. Clap for R. So thank you. So that is it. Now, once you are able to understand, and don't forget that capital letter R, the radius is 6,400 kilometers. But the small letter R, what formula are we going to use for that?
Pi is 2 of course.
Who knows that? She raised your hand. The small letter R, yes? Big R cos small R, no. You are close, yes?
Pi times 2 times...
No. Yes? Thank you, clap for R. That is big R cos theta. That is what you are going to use. So let's see, who else wants to try the C circle? Alright, let's see what kind of R radius you have here. Which one? Do you have any bigger one? Which one is bigger? So that one is what? It's not great circle. It's only going to be a great circle when it passes through the center. Are you getting it? That is when it passes through the equator. That is when you have what? Great circle. But if you have a small circle, what kind of R are you going to use there? Small R. Thank you. Okay, let's have you. Now you have cut the orange into two. What kind of circle do you have? Do you have any small circle in your orange?
Yes.
So, what is the radius of the small circle that you have?
Small R.
Don't tell her.
Small R.
Small R. And small R, in your calculation, what are you going to use when you are dealing with calculation using the small R? Who else wants to try? What is small R? Yes,
Small R plus big R equals to theta.
No. Who else wants to try?
Cos theta.
Yes. Thank you. Clap for him. Small r equals big R cos theta. Please take note of that. And don't forget when you are dealing with that in your exams or classwork. Small r when you are dealing with small circle. When you are having parallel of latitude, you make use of small r. Don't forget that.